I'll get changed, right?
It's not free, I paid for it. Say that again.
Please, there's nothing, there's literally nothing under.
That's why. No, guys.
Did you jump into a pool? Did you jump into a pool? That's why you can come home.
I'm only thinking 80. I'm thinking 80 people are listening to cocaine and we all have a good time. Alright, I'll do it again. The coin goes down, nothing in my hand. Guys, there's nothing in my hand. And I'm thinking, what? I know how the trick works, yeah? Nothing in my hand. And then Jack, the coin goes down. You guys now, stop. Guys, I'll show you one more thing with the coin and then danger. No, more danger. Okay, fair enough. I might die. Yeah, thanks, man. Okay, I know what you want. Jack might die. No, don't worry, you're not gonna die. I would never hurt you. Do you know why? Just come here, give me a hug. I'm your real father. No, I'm not real father. I can't believe you've been so long. But Jack, this is the part of the show you can win a prize. Do you want to win a prize? So you have to face the front now. No, that's not the front. Maybe stand there, face the front. Go one step to the left. Maybe one more, so below the pigeon. Yeah, perfect. And guys, for Jack to win a prize, he has to do only one thing. Very simple thing. He has to keep watching my food no matter what till I say he can stop. If he can do that, I'll give him a prize. Do you understand, Jack? Jack? Look, SpongeBob. Jack, SpongeBob. Okay, fair enough. Justin Bieber. We don't like him. Okay, your mommy is gone. Who cares? Well done, you quick. Alright, keep watching my food. Very important for the joke. Guys, everybody, stop what you're doing. Come here and watch my food. There, honestly, come and watch my food. Look, everybody's watching my food. It's the best food in London. What, you don't believe me? So listen to that. Can everybody clap on my food? Everybody cheer. Yeah. Wow, I actually stopped some people. I can't believe that. Alright, watch the coin, watch the food. Watch the say, you know I can see you, right? I said my food, not my... What are you doing, man? Can you take the hands out of your pockets? I don't feel comfortable. Take them out. Thank you. All right, guys, if I take this coin, and Jack, if I put it under my foot, it is very strange because look, the coin is gone. It went through my foot, up my trousers, up my top, all the way into my eye.
Oh my God!
Guys, it's in my eye. Come on, make some noise. And now, stop. Guys, oh, he's still watching. Well done. Guys, I'll show you something dangerous now, but before I do that, do you think that Jack deserves a prize?
Yeah!
Alright, so Jack, can you face the front and hold your hands like this? Jack, face the front. Face the front. Wow, he's still watching. Well done. That was the last try. Guys, should I give him a prize?
Yeah!
Do you think he deserves it?
Yeah!
Alright, Jack, you don't have to watch my foot now. You won. Hold your hands like this, and for helping me out, you can actually keep that coin. It is for you. I know it is invisible, but just take that coin home and put it under your pillow. When you wake up in the morning, it's going to be £20. If you don't believe me, ask Melanie, right? No, don't spoil the 10. 5, okay, 5. I got you 5, that's still good. Hey, guys, who is on that? But can I give him a gift? I have to ask, it's a Covent Garden rule, is that okay? Awesome. Jack, do you smoke? No. Do you like magic? Yes, so for helping me out, you can keep this beautiful, magical piece of paper, Jack. That's for you. Do you like it or do you want to change it for something else? Oh, you want to change it. To change it, you have to burn it. Once you burn it, this piece of paper will change for you into a little lollipop. So that's for you, Jack. Yeah, that's okay, don't tell them. But Jack, you have to take a bow. No, come back. You have to take a bow. Just stand there. Yeah, and face the front. In a second, you're going to take a bow. When you take a bow, everybody here going to clap, cheer, and go crazy for you. Do you know why? Because if they don't, I will hit them with a hammer. Well, do you think I'm joking? Okay, we're going to do a warm-up to find the victim. Can everybody clap and keep clapping? Just keep clapping, keep clapping, keep clapping, keep clapping, clap. Oh, yeah, here we go. Keep clapping, keep clapping. Yeah, we've got our victim. This lady, oh no, she's clapping behind. Yeah, keep clapping. No, yeah, clapping, yeah. Oh, no, this guy is not clapping in the red. Go ahead, run and hit him in the head. Quick, Jack, take it, yeah. No, come back. It's a fake hammer. You're not going to hurt anybody. Yeah, it's a fake hammer. All right, guys, I know I promised you something dangerous. So, folks, for your pleasure and entertainment, I'm going to try to swallow 1 meter of fully inflated balloon. And it's going to happen. Yeah, it's going to happen. So can everybody give me ooh? No, everybody. Everybody give me ah. Everybody give me ooh la la. Ooh la la. Awesome. This entire balloon is going to go inside my mouth all the way in and then you'll come out tomorrow. Guys, it might come out today. If that's the case, just run, save your life, okay? I've got insurance, but I don't know if it's going to cover because it's a car insurance. All right, Jack, you have to take a bow. So face the front, put one hand on your belly. Oh, actually, before you take a bow, I'm gonna fix the audience. Guys, you're too far away. Can everybody come up towards the lines so nobody goes through? And you guys, the same thing on this side. There's a line here. Guys, together. Guys, I can see you going backwards. I know because you don't want to pay at the end. You want to come closer? You want to go back? I don't know what's happening with you, sir. What is happening? Can you put your toes on the line just to show everybody how it's done? And you guys the same on that side. Just when the line is here, just the line. You guys from the back, if you can, yeah, perfect. We get rid of them. I knew they're gonna leave. It was so obvious. Guys, a little bit closer. We got rid of some people, so it's good. Awesome, beautiful. And you guys the same. There's a line there. One more step forward. Thank you. All right. Guys, can everybody shuffle towards the front? Because I hate gaps. I live in London, you know. Mind the gap, mind the gap. It's not a toilet. Just go towards the side, yeah? Oh, so tough, Jack. All right, Jack, one hand on your belly, the other one on the back, and just take a bow and listen to everybody. Guys, go crazy for Jack. Yeah, Jack, they're clapping for you because you were awesome. Thank you so much for helping out. You can go back to your mommy and enjoy the lollipop. It is really good. I know because I tried it and I put it back in wrapper. No, it is really good. Guys, I will swallow this balloon, but kids, listen. This is very dangerous. Do you understand that? No. If some of the kids don't understand, please explain. Don't try this trick at home. Do you understand that? Good. Try it at school. You're going to get a bigger crowd. They pay more. You understand that, right? More money. Yeah? Awesome. Here we go. Swallowing a balloon. Guys, before I do that, can everybody on the line? I mean on the line because some people just left again. All right, hands up if you want me to swallow this balloon. Yeah. Wow, you sick people. But guys, you should see my mom's face when I said this is what I'm going to do for a living. It's just a joke. She doesn't know. Yeah, she thinks I am a banker. Or at least that's what I think she said. The line was very bad. Thanks for laughing. But guys, it is gonna be my last trick and the most dangerous trick which I do. I actually might die in doing this trick, but you know the deal, because this is Covent Garden and this is what we do for a living, and nobody pays us to be here. Not the Covent Garden, not the council, not any other criminal organization. So at the end of this trick, I'm gonna hold down my beautiful back like this. But please relax, none of you owe me any money. This is so I can keep doing that and entertain more wonderful people like you. At the end, if you can give, then please give. If you can't give, then please give. I'm not gonna tell you how much to give, but I do believe a show where somebody risks their life must be worth at least £5 or £10 per person. Maybe 20 from a family, big group, or if you can simply afford it. Especially that cinema over there costs 15. Theatre over there costs 40 upwards. So 5 or 10 if you can afford it. If not, then 2 or 3, a price of a cup of coffee. If you can't afford the price of a cup of coffee, that's okay, I understand. But come forward and just say thank you like a human being. Don't just walk away like a parasite. Yeah, true, isn't it? But £5, I say thank you. £10, 10, I will love you. 20, you sir, I'll go home with you. 50, your wife can come as well. We'll have a lovely time. Is that your wife or is it a business trip? Okay, let's find out. Little kiss, everybody will go ooh. Go ahead. A little one, go ahead. Ooh. No, guys, that wasn't a very good one, so I'll show you how it's done. It's okay, sir, I'll teach you. Come here, let's open your mouth, quick. A joke's not gonna happen. Do you see that? He actually opened his mouth. First time ever. Oh, guys, by the way, for those of you who doesn't carry cash, but still would like to help, it's okay. Covent Garden was kind enough and gave every performer in Covent Garden a card reader. Cool card reader, you don't have to use your pin. But anyway, guys, do you think what I said is fair? I mean, if you do, can you give me a round of applause, guys? Do you think it's fair what I said? Thank you. You don't think it's fair? You don't even know. Okay, fair enough. Alright, here we go. Swallowing a balloon. But guys, let's do it in style. So when I swallow, a slow hand clap. So everybody together. Come on, guys. Everybody. All the way in. Here we go. No, guys, not everybody's clapping. Did I tell you am I dying doing this trick? Wait a second, this guy is on his phone. Say, am I dying doing this trick? At least if I'm gonna die, I would like you to watch, honestly. Not being on the phone and texting your ex-girlfriend. Look, your girlfriend is in front of you. He's still texting her. Okay, fair. Guys, let's try again. This time everybody, not just the kids and alcoholics. Come on, folks. Everybody, together. Here we go. All the way in.
Go on, son.
Oh my God. Guys, you can clap. It took me 5 years to learn this trick when I was in prison. Now, wait a second. Look at your faces. Yeah, hands up if you want to see the balloon. Oh my God, that's a lot of people. Okay, fair enough. Tomorrow morning, come to my house, I will show you. Guys, I have to say you were absolutely amazing crowd, so thank you for this. But please remember one thing, especially people on the back. As I said, nobody pays Covent Garden performers, so everybody come forward and support the art. The exit is here. First kid with £5 or £10 is the winner. If you walk away, I will follow you home and do the show again. First one is the lucky one. Who's going to be the first one? First one, yes, you're the first one, Jack. You're going to be the lucky one. You can have another go. Thank you, guys. Look, guys, kids are paying. They don't even got jobs. Thank you. Oh, yeah, you can ask. But my hands are cold, so if you can do that, would be awesome. Thank you so much. Thanks, guys, for the energy. Well, awesome. You started it all. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much.